वेलकम टू फ्री स्टूडियो। आज आप लोगों को बताऊंगा आर्ट एंड कल्चर का इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन आंसर जो सभी एग्जाम्स के लिए इम्पोर्टेंट है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, हु फाउंडेड रामकृष्ण मिशन इन 1896? ए रामकृष्ण परमहंस, बी स्वामी विवेकानंद, सी रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर, डी देवेंद्रनाथ टैगोर। करेक्ट आंसर इज बी स्वामी विवेकानंद। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, which of the following dances is a solo dance? A. Ottanthulal, B. Kuchipudi, C. Yakshagana, D. Odissi. Correct answer is A. Ottanthulal. Question number 3. In which of the following states of India a festival called Chhapchar Kut is celebrated in March? A. Assam, B. Mizoram, C. Karnataka, D. Sikkim. Correct answer is B. Mizoram. Question number 4. Which of the following academies is responsible for fostering the development of dance, drama, and music in India? Option A. National School of Drama, B. Sangeet Academy, C. Sahitya Academy, D. Lalit Kala Academy. Correct answer is B. Sangeet Academy. Question number 5. Who among the following singer is often called as Prince of Bhangra? A. Dalir Mehdi, B. Mika Singh, C. Sukhbir, D. Sukhvinder Singh. Correct answer is C. Sukhbir. Question number 6. In which of the following festivals are boat races a special feature? Option A. Onam, B. Rongali Bihu, C. Navratri, D. Pongal. Correct answer is A. Onam. Question number 7. Which among the following sub-school of Vedanta is followed by ISKCON? A. Sudhavaita, B. Achintya Vedabheda, C. Purnavaita or integral Advaita, D. Modern Vedanta. Correct answer is B. Achintya Vedabheda. Question number 8. Natya Shastra, the main source of India's classical dances, was written by option A. Naramuni, B. Bharatmuni, C. Abhinav Gupta, D. Tandumuni. Correct answer is B. Bharatmuni. Question number 9. Which chapter of Mahabharata deals with fruitless efforts to bring about peace between the Kurus and the Pandavas? ऑप्शन ए भाना पर्व, बी विराट पर्व, सी उद्योग पर्व, सी द्रोण पर्व. Correct answer is C. उद्योग पर्व. Question number 10. Vaisheshika school of Hinduism accepts which of the following as a reliable means to knowledge? A. Perception and inference. B. Observation and discussion. C. Discussion and interaction. D. Difference and study. Correct answer is A. Perception and inference. Question number 11. Bageshwari Kamar is India's first and only possibly woman player of which of the following music instruments? A. Ghatam, B. Sehnai, C. Pakhwaj, C. Santur. Correct answer is B. Sehnai. Question number 12. The dance encouraged and performance from the temple of Tanjavur was option A. Kathakali, B. Odissi, C. Kathak, D. Bharatanatyam. Correct answer is D. Bharatanatyam. Question number 13. Midami festival is a festival of which of the communities in northeastern India? Option A. Taiyahom, B. Deori tribe, C. Garo, D. Khasi. Correct answer is A. Taiyahom. Question number 14. Jafar Khan came to the throne with the blessings of which of the following sons? Option A. Makhdam Alauddin Ali, B. Makhdam Jahania, C. Muhibullah Allahabadi, D. Salim Chishti. Correct answer is B. Makhdum Jahania. Question number 15. Who is known as Shiladitya? A. Chandragupta I, B. Samudragupta, C. Harshavardhana, D. Ashoka. Correct answer is C. Harshavardhana. Question number 16. Which of the following added an entrance to the Qutub Minar called Alai Darwaja? A. Jalauddin Khilji, B. Alauddin Khilji, C. Mubarak Shah, D. Khusrau Shah. Correct answer is B. Alauddin Khilji. Question number 17. Who wrote the play Mudra Raksha? A. Vaishakha Datta, B. Bhanbat, C. Tunbhadra, D. None of above. Correct answer is A. Vaishakha Datta. Question number 18. At which of the following places the famous relief scene of Vishnu rescuing the earth from the waters in the form of Nri Varaha can be found? A. Sarnath, B. Udayagiri, C. Mathura, D. Khairigad. Correct answer is B. Udayagiri. Question number 19. The two Jain Tirthankars who find mention in Ring Veda are A. Rishabhanath and Mahavira, B. Rishabhanath and Aristhanemia, C. Mahavira and Aristhanemia, D. Ajitanath and Mahavira. Correct answer is B. Rishabhanath and Aristhanemia. Question number 20. The terms Mahabrinda Natyam and Jayamu are associated with which of the following dance forms? A. Kathakali, B. Kuchipudi, C. Mohiniyattam, D. Satriya. Correct answer is B. Kuchipudi. Question number 21. During the age of Rig Veda, the grants are collectively called A. Yava and Anaj, B. Anaj and Dhanya, C. An and Anaj, D. Yava and Dhanya. Correct answer is D. Yava and Dhanya. Question number 12. In the ancient Buddhist texts, who among the following is believed to be described a Nigantha Nataputa? Option A. Gautam Buddha, B. Mahavira Jain, C. Ashoka, D. Chandragupta Maurya. Correct answer is B. Mahavira Jain. Question number 23. The writer of Rajatarangini is A. Banbhata, C. Kalhana, C. Abdul Fazal, D. Tulsidas. Correct answer is B. Kalhana. Question number 24. With respect to Indian culture, what is Ghode Modhini? A. Festival celebrated in Arunachal Pradesh, B. Tribe of Andaman and Nicobar Islands, B. Dance form in Goa, D. Style of painting. Correct answer is C. Dance form in Goa. Question number 25. Khan Abdul Ghaffar was the founder of Samaj Khidmatgar Organization, Khudai Khidmatgar Organization, C. Dharam Khidmatgar Organization, D. Islam Khidmatgar Organization. Correct answer is B. खुदाई खिदमतगार ऑर्गेनाइजेशन। अगर आप इस क्वेश्चन आंसर को पीडीएफ में डाउनलोड करना चाहते हैं तो नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन में लिंक दिया गया है। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो।